Hello, Richard.
Hello, Mommy.
How are you, my love?
Good.
Good. How about we start to open our haunted house?
Yeah, and we'll move with these too.
So what do you have? Oh, some itsy bitsy spiders. They're so spooky.
So. Yes. There's anything. Oh, this stuff.
Some
Candies.
candies.
And some bats. And some colorful candies.
More colorful candies. And we have our gingerbread house. So we'll have to.
And we have our black plate.
Look at those.
And we have these.
We have some candies with jack-o'-lantern. More colorful candies.
And these.
Some sprinkles. You know what's this? This is icing. We're gonna need this to stick all the candies together to the house. Okay, so we have some green icing.
And pink icing.
I think it's more like orange. What do you think?
It's orange icing.
That's good. Our walls.
I have a door in the window.
This is the front.
Yeah.
Looks like the front. Yes.
This
And
is
this is the back.